Is it an airplane? Is it a boat? It's a shoe. Hi! If you guys haven't seen a few of my videos, there's one thing you should know about me, and is that I love shoes. So I am partnering with Vivaia today on this video. They sent me some pairs of shoes to review. If you are here because you love shoes, welcome. If you're here because you love me, welcome. I'm here for both. First off, so it took about a month to come, which is fine. There was some like DHL delivery strike. So honestly, they got these bad boys to me in a timely manner. They came in this package. I'm gonna hide my address. As much as I would love people to send me gifts, we don't want those creepies on the internet finding me. One thing I love about this packaging is it literally says the name on the actual package. Because let me tell you, you know that feeling when you are waiting for your package to get here and you're like, I can't wait to open my new stuff. Every single girl I know knows that feeling. And then all of a sudden a package arrives at your doorstep. You're elated, you're happy. Finally, life is coming together. The stars have aligned for you to receive your package on this day. And it is not your package. It's someone else's package. You won't have a problem with Vivaia. They label their package, people. Labeled. You know when you're getting it. Let's look at the shoes. These are their newest launch for summer. They are called the Miley shoe, which, I mean, I grew up watching Hannah Montana, so I love me a good Miley. I got them in red. Like, they're so cute, you guys. Can you imagine me just strutting my stuff with, like, blue jeans? I'm ready. Ooh, even the paper feels durable. Honestly, I'm a fan. They come like this. I am going to do a try on after we unbox all of them. So then they come with black laces on them. Gorgeous. All this feels, ooh! Guys, this is bendy. Most of their shoes are machine washable. I know that these ones are. I did read the description for them. Like all of you guys should when you're buying things. Definitely read before you buy. Yeah, they just seem really durable. Right now, the Miley shoes have the black laces on them, but they also sent me some other laces for them. So you can really pick whatever laces your heart desires. A little polka dot moment, which I feel like is so cute with the red. You know, little red polka dot moment, like adorable. Or you can do some red on red and do little lace up. This will be so cute. I feel like if I wore these with a pair of like shorts and the plaid, adorable. So I need to not let my cat get these because he will take a little chomp out of all these strings. These ones I'm excited for as well. I'm excited for all of them. Who am I kidding? So these ones are called the Cristina. You ready? They remind me kind of my 6 or 7-year-old self because they have a ballet vibe, like ballet slipper vibe. They're in the color light gold, but I feel like it's kind of like that creamy ivory color. I just love it. I think they're going to be gorgeous. So you can see these ones also super bendy, super durable. And one other thing that's kind of cool is I saw on their marketing campaign that Miss Bella Hadid has worn these shoes. She has rocked the Cristinas. So in a way, when I'm wearing these, I am channeling my inner Bella Hadid. And these ones are also machine washable. Ooh, you guys, they have like a foamy sole. I don't know if you can even like, it's foamy. That's gonna be comfy. And they just give me like fairy tale princess vibes. They're just so beautiful. I could wear these all day. Okay, I wanna put these back in the box. We're gonna move them over because we're gonna make room for the last pair that we got. Third time's a charm, even though I've loved all of them. So these ones are the Allday sneakers. It was so hard to choose which color set that I wanted. They have like this beautiful green color, but I was like, Brittany, I might come back for the green ones, to be honest. They're calling to me. So these are the Allday sneakers. Oh, you guys, they're so beautiful. These ones are the colors white, buff beige, and doe skin, I think. Yep, doe skin. And I love it. I love the little tan accents on there, the little beige accents, the little logo. I also think it's crazy how the whole shoe has like little holes in it. So obviously don't go running in puddles with these. Your socks will get wet. But I feel like it's going to keep my feet really ventilated, which I love. And this feels, that is not going to slide around, people. Grippy. I kind of secretly hope when I'm doing this unboxing that they're going to send me the wrong shoe. I don't know why. I just feel like it would add some like intrigue to the video. But you know, Vivaia did their job and they did not send me the wrong shoe. So these are gorgeous. I feel like I could wear these with jeans. I feel like I could wear them probably not with a dress, a really casual dress. You know, like a little skater dress and jean jacket vibe. That could be kind of cute. I'm ready to hit the town. I'm ready to like go on a little jog with them. These are supposed to be a kind of slip-on shoe. So they have that little extra, I don't know what it's called, lip up here. So you're supposed to be able to grab it and just easily slip it on your foot. I'll attempt it. We'll do a little attempt when we try these ones on. And actually, after looking it up, all of them are machine washable. So we are good to go, people. When I work in an industry where you get color everywhere, it's good to have machine washable shoes. Okay. Full outfit reveal. Whoa, this literally feels so smooth. It's like my foot just slipped right in there. Didn't even have a choice. It was like, you know what? You will. Okay, that was the worst knot I've ever tied, but let me be honest, this is comfy. Oh, my cat is rearing to go. He is looking at the laces. Like, guys, these are actually cute. You know, they give me like dancing vibes. I can just dance around in them. I think I would definitely wear these with cute jeans. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm actually gonna see, like, what if we swap out these laces? Okay, let's see how easy these are to lace. So you guys timed me starting 2 seconds ago, I guess. Laced. We did it. We're gonna slip these bad boys on. I really like these red laces, but again, imagine it with jeans, you know, something that cuts off about here. Yeah, you guys, these are adorable. I'm loving them, and they are so comfortable. I could run a mile in them. That catch the next video, Brittany's running a mile in her shoes. And honestly, you guys, I know it's a review, so I'm gonna say it. These laces feel durable. You know, you could swing this shoe around. Durable. It's like an airplane. Is it an airplane? Is it a boat? It's a shoe. I'm putting on the intro. That'll be good. The second pair of shoes that we're going to try on are the Cristinas, which just give me all the feels. I'm very excited. And I saw that there is a double shoelace thing. So you can tie up both, I guess. I'm just going to slip this bad boy on. Oh, the inside is soft. It literally feels like your foot is in a pillow. My foot is in a pillow right now. That is luxurious. I'm not kidding, you guys. Put these shoes on. Pillow on your foot, people. Pillow on your foot. I don't know how I feel about the double shoelace. Like, I might take them out and just do kind of one shoelace. Maybe it's meant to be kind of like cool and stuff, but I don't know. It seems like a lot of shoelace for one shoe, you know? Cloud on my foot. Like I said, cloud on my foot. I will say, Miss Hadid, you know what you were doing. She wore these bad boys twice. I'll be wearing them a lot more than that. Although I'm thinking now, I'm like, Brittany, why did you get a bunch of white shoes? Because you work at a salon. Like, why are you wearing white? Okay, I'm gonna be honest. The way that I tied them, probably not my best work. These are cute, you guys. I really like them. These are cute. I don't even know if I want to take these ones off yet. Like, they're just comfortable shoes, guys. I think probably when I wear them next, I'm gonna take out the cream laces and just wear the more satiny laces because I feel like it's a little bit more understated. But I like that I have both. I have both options for when I want to wear the shoe. I can definitely see these shoes paired with the dress very, very easily. I can see me frolicking through a field in these shoes and then throwing them in the washing machine because they're all machine washable. Okay, to my favorite pair. I know I shouldn't have a favorite. They're all gorgeous and beautiful. I know, but something about this color combo, you guys, it gets me. So comfortable. These are amazing. I need more. I feel like I need the green pair. So these ones just slip right on. Like, I undid the laces a little bit, but if the laces are done up, not tight, but just like normal, I want to see if I can slip them on. So the laces are done. Gorgeous. Slip it on. Okay, so it gets caught a little bit on that little tongue groove, but I think they're great. So la-di-da, I'm walking. Oh, I need to put on my shoes and go. Put them on. Bam. Bam, they're in. These are awesome. You can literally just slide them right on. I think that's such a cool thing so that people who might not have the hands to be able to just put their shoes on can just slip their foot right into there. Like, that's awesome. You guys heard it here first. These are my favorite. I had so much fun unboxing these and trying them on and doing different outfits and everything. If you guys do want to shop these shoes or any other shoes on Vivaia's website, they have literally so many shoes. It is the absolute best. I should probably place another order. Don't tell Mason I said that. There will be a link at the top of my description, so go click on that. Go find some cool shoes, you guys. We can probably twin if you guys want to. I mean, I wouldn't hate twinning with you, or you can buy whatever shoes you want. Maybe you want to get the green Alldays, you know? I won't judge you, but I will be envious that you have them. So maybe you want to buy you and me a pair of green Allday runners. I would take it. I would take it. Don't buy me shoes. I have enough. I want more, but don't buy me shoes unless you want to. Thank you so much, Vivaia. They did send me these, and I am so eternally grateful. I absolutely love them. I would never lie to you guys in a review. I genuinely love these shoes, and I will genuinely wear them. You will see them in upcoming videos where I style different outfits. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you hopefully next week. I'm going to try and get back into the swing of doing long-form videos and shorts. It got a little bit overwhelming for me for a minute there, so I took like a little step back, but I'm back, people. I'm back, better than ever, buying shoes, and it's a good time. Okay. I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you.